In this video, I'll show you how to make a repository public on GitHub. First, sign into your GitHub account and open the repository you want to make public. Next, click the Settings tab at the top of the repository page. Scroll down until you reach the Danger Zone section near the bottom of the page. Now, find the Change Repository Visibility option and click Change Visibility. When the menu appears, select Change to Public. After that, GitHub will ask you to confirm your choice. Read the information carefully, then type the repository name if prompted. Click I understand, change repository visibility to complete the process. Finally, once the change is complete, your repository will be public. Anyone with the repository link will be able to view your code, so make sure you haven't included any sensitive or private information before making it public. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make a repository public on GitHub. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.